Hey guys, so another week, another game dev vlog. Now this week did not go according to plan. From the very beginning, we took a different direction. We quickly realized that we needed a lot more time to work on this update. We plan on releasing the update to BlockWorks later today, or worst case scenario, tomorrow morning. So there's just a little bit left to do, but there was enough to do. That was some more time-consuming stuff than we had anticipated. That it took all week to actually get to this point. So anyway, it is progressing nicely. I did not get to work on Rotate at all, but I have done a little thinking about what I want to do with it, making a few changes to some of the design of how the game plays. The overall story and core concepts are obviously very much the same, but I'm just trying to tweak some things, make it a bit more unique. Also, I'm trying to make sure I keep it simple, because I don't want to be putting like an extreme amount of thought into this simple little game. And obviously there is a certain point where you do need to think about things, and you need to really think them out and make something good quality. Thing is, I have a tendency to overdo that and really overthink the simple things, when I could just make it and not worry about going so in depth with all these things, and that would be better in the long run. So I'm trying to make sure I balance that, because I'm somewhat of a perfectionist when it comes to those things, that's for sure. I do like to make sure that everything is like top notch, like extreme level of polish where possible, but I also realize that there's a point where you can go overboard with that, so I'm trying to find the balance with that. But this next week, I will be able to start back onto Rotate, and there is a little work I need to do on the Frost engine. There's a little functionality that I need to re-implement and actually implement it for the first time a little bit better. I need to do more bitmap caching and all that, especially with text rendering. I need to have more advanced compositing on so that I can well, just blend things together better. I'd be going into too much detail if I try to explain it right now, but it's coming along, and there's just a little more work that needs done on it. But yeah, in the next video, I expect to be able to report on some actual progress on Rotate. I might be able to show some progress on it. I don't want to give away too much of the details of the game, obviously the story and the puzzles and such, but I think I can show you guys the overall design and my process of actually making it. So I'm gonna start to show some of that stuff as I get there, but first, over like today and potentially tomorrow morning, we have to get this update done to BlockWorks. Then throughout the week, just monitor everything, do any bug fixes where necessary, but hopefully everything's gonna be fine. And also work a little on the Frost engine and Rotate, mostly design stuff. I don't know if I will be able to actually start into any actual development on Rotate this week, but I will be working, getting a few more features into the Frost engine and designing more stuff on Rotate. So I'm gonna get an actual design document together. I might be able to have a basic version of that done this week. So if I do, I might be able to show you guys some of that in the next video. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think this is gonna be it for today. So stay tuned for the update to BlockWorks. Once we get it done, we are going to be posting it on Newgrounds and Congregate. That's going to be a really big deal, because so far we've tested it with only just over a couple dozen people. So once we get it on Newgrounds, Congregate, we're going to be getting like about 1,000 plays within the first week or so, if it goes anything like any of our even low-end Loot and Dare entries in the past. So that's going to be a lot different. It's going to really change the dynamic of how the game is played and just everything. So yeah, I hope you guys will be around for that. I do have links to stuff related to BlockWorks down in the description, so if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and do that down there. But yeah, this is going to be it for today. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, maybe a comment, and definitely subscribe for more content from me in the near future. So yeah, I'll see you around. Bye.